If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on some kind of start and entertain it through. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey y'all, it's Robin, also known as Be More Curly, and I'm back with another video. So today I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and try out this hair paint wax that everybody's been talking about. So I got 4 different colors. I got red, purple, blue, and I ordered white, but I don't know if this is silver or if it's white. It kind of looks silver to me. I'm just gonna try it all out and put it in my head and then see how it turns out. So I hope you guys stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I decided to mix the pink and the white, the red and the white together, try to get like a pink color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that in and see how it turns out. This is really soft and it feels like a conditioner almost. It's really smooth and it's easy to go on. It kind of has like a paint smell. Not paint, I don't even know how to describe it. I feel like I've smelled this before, but kind of painty, like washable paint, like kids paint. That's kind of what it smells like. Try to get my little edges. Okay, so I just finished putting the pink in my hair, and I feel like I should add another color at the end. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of blue to that pink and make it like a purpley, and then put that at the ends. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I thought I was recording and apparently I wasn't. So basically I mixed blue with the pink, and I tried to get it kind of like a lavender. So I'm trying to, the look I'm going for is like pastel colors. So hopefully it turns out the way that I want it to. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done experimenting. I'm going to wait for this to dry and then see how it turns out, and then I'll come back to show you guys. Okay everybody, I'm back and my hair is almost completely dry. So I had to actually use my diffuser. So I used it about 3 different times because, long story. Let me just say that it wasn't as poppin' as I wanted it to be at the bottom. So I took more of the purple like lavender color and put it at the bottom. Then I felt like it was too thick, so I sprayed some water and all this other stuff, and I finally got it to the way that I thought I wanted it, and this is how it came out after I diffused it a few times. So probably a total of 30 minutes diffusing altogether, and it is pretty much completely dry. Now what I can tell is that my hair is not as defined as it normally is. Usually this is how my hair still looks before it is completely dry, but as I've said, my hair is pretty much all the way dry. Now my hair also feels waxy. There's definitely a lot of buildup, so I don't know if the brand I got is just a cheap brand. I don't know, it didn't cost too much, so maybe I just didn't get the right brand. Now when I'm touching it, right now it's not coming off of my hands, but earlier it was, but that was also because it was still kind of wet. Now that it's dry, it's not really coming off, so I'm going to see how it does tomorrow morning. If it comes off on my pillow or my bonnet or anything like that. Now, as far as the color goes, I thought the pink was going to show up more, but maybe because my hair was burgundy, maybe that could be the reason why the pink isn't showing up that much. But to me, it doesn't seem like the pink is showing up that much. I mean, I guess now, since I'm in front of this light, I can see it more. But I feel like it just kind of blends in with the burgundy that was already in my hair. Like, it's not like the pastel pink color that I wanted. And this purplish color, you can see it, but I think since my hair is so dark, it just kind of makes it look like a weird black, if that makes sense. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I dislike it. Now, what I probably should have done was just use purple and blue. I do have purple. Let me show you guys. I do have purple and the blue that I showed y'all, or I should just use pink, purple, and blue all together by themselves without mixing it with the white, because maybe that would have gave me better results. So that may be another video. I probably will do that tomorrow and see how it looks. And yeah, so far this is how it is looking. yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you are thinking about getting hair paint wax, I'm not giving it an A, I will say that. I'm not saying don't try it. I guess it is a good alternative to bleaching your hair because you can actually see the color and it's less harmful than bleach. So that's good, but I don't really like the buildup of this brand that I got because to me it looks like I literally put paint on my hair. So that's all I can actually say about this product. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell next to the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with all of my new videos. I post 2 videos a week, so I hope you stay to enjoy. All right guys, thanks for tuning in and I will see you next time.
Hey girl, bring it back.